How to redirect users to specific page after activation WordPress account. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to redirect users to specific page after activation WordPress account. By default, both WordPress and BuddyPress has this feature. But you can have it with few simple steps. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar, then install and activate it. And then, please go to your FTP or file manager. And go to folder WP content, then folder plugins. Create a new PHP file and name it bp.custom.php. If you already have it, no need to create a new one. Just open it. Please copy a snippet from our documentation. You can see and click the URL on the description of this video. Paste the copied snippet to the file and add any redirect URL page you want. And then save it. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.